Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. This is Pratik Srivastava here, founder of Online Study for You. Friends, there is a big breaking news which is coming here from TCS. TCS has started sending admit card mail and you can now download the admit card. Friends, for many of the colleges, the exam is going to happen on 3rd of October. This is TCS phase 1 hiring, like this phase 2. Phase 3 hiring will be also happening, at least till phase 2 it will happen. So if you have not received the admit card mail or from your TPO any information, then you need to wait. So this is the kind of email which you will be getting. TCS NQT phase 1 batch 2025, 3rd October 2024 admit card download. In this video I will also tell you, friends, so this particular 8 days how are you going to utilize it effectively, right? So in 8 days, how you can prepare well so that you will be easily able to crack TCS NQT examination. Now, friends, before that, if you look at, right, so if you look at the admit card, this will look like this. So TCS NQT phase 1 batch 2025, admit card TCS NQT phase 1 2025. The exam is going to happen in ION Digital Zone, okay? And if you come down here, you can see the details like 3rd of October 2024, date of test, reporting time 7:30 AM and gate closure timing 8:30 AM and test timing will be 9 AM to 12:10 PM. So your exam will be happening at ION Digital, right? So it will not be happening in the colleges. Now, friends, so you have almost 8 days, right? So 3rd of October you have exam. So 7 to 8 days basically you have. In this time, what you can do? So definitely now you cannot prepare from the beginning. That is the reason I was telling you always that please start your preparation now. So if you are, not from the phase 1, then friends, right now also please start preparation seriously, right? So start preparing seriously. At least you will be having some time, but phase 1 batch only 7 to 8 days are there. Now friends, so in this time, it is very, very important for you to solve previous year question, right, and to solve mock test. These are the only two things which you can do, and if you think of going through all the topics currently, it is not going to happen right now. Okay, now, so friends, here you can see there are live classes which we had done for TCS, right? So that you can go through. That is the first thing, right? So if you come down here, right, so if you go down here and I will tell you, right, so that live classes you can go through, so which we had done for TCS. So you see TCS actual question asked on 29th of April, right? So here you can see TCS again 29th of April coding question, right? So TCS cutoff and all those things we had predicted. So basically you also need to understand how many questions you should do from one section. And then TCS 26th of April second shift question, TCS 26th of April, right, question asked, TCS 26th of April exam analysis, right? So all those things we have already done. And then, so before you go for the exam, watch this TCS revision 1 short video, right? And then TCS coding revision video, that also you watch. TCS revision reasoning videos you watch. Verbal ability videos for TCS which we had done you watch. Number system you watch. Okay, TCS coding classes you watch. All these things are definitely going to help you. Mock test of reasoning which we have done, that you watch. Quadratic equation is one of the important topic you watch. Time and work you watch. So for TCS already we have done a lot of videos, and this is what is going to help you in your TCS NQT 2025 examination, right? So also, friends, from tomorrow daily 1 videos you will be getting, right, on the TCS latest pattern. But where you will get? So you will be getting here in this particular crash course. And also, friends, we have started with the mock test series, right? So in this mock test series, what basically we are going to do, that you try to understand here, right? Okay, so you see here, so this mock test series, basically, so here, so first mock test is today, 25th of September 2024. Second mock test will be on 27th of September 2024. Third mock test will be on 29th of September 2024. Fourth mock test will be 1st of September. And here, 1st of October. So there is a mistake here. So this will be happening on 1st of October. And now you have got the examination date. So the 5th test will be on, 2nd of October, right? So 5 tests we are going to do. So this will be basically, so sorry for that, this is a mistake from our design team. So that's, So extremely sorry for that. So 1st of October you will be having one test, and then instead of 3rd we will do a final test on 2nd of October, right? So friends, see, this mock test will definitely help you to understand, see, because that we are doing in particular time. So for here, if you'll go inside, I will just take you, right? So this mock test, you see how it is designed. Okay, so let us go to the content. And we have also put TCS NQT 2024 asked questions, that videos, right? So here if you go, I will take you through that, but first let us see mock test. So TCS mock test series 2025, right? Okay, so here we have today the mock test is uploaded, right? So just come down here. Okay, so if you'll inside this, 25 minutes for aptitude, 25 minutes for reasoning, 25 minutes for verbal ability, same standard questions we have put. So you have to basically target 50% of the questions should be solved from the mock test. Today you are seeing one, and again day after tomorrow, 27th of September, you will be seeing another mock test, and these are the previous mock test. So that is the basic level of mock test. So this also you can attempt it, right? See friends, any mock test is definitely going to help you a lot, right? Okay, then, and friends, one more thing. So you have to solve basically the previous year question which has been asked. So if you go back here, right, you can see TCS NQT 2024 asked questions. Okay, so here coding questions, right? So all the coding questions which was asked. So TCS NQT 2024 coding questions 1, right? So all these questions we have solved, and this is in C++, right? And if somebody wants in Java, so here you can see the same problems we have also done in the Java, right? Okay, so if you come down here, the same problem also has been done in Java and plus C++, right? Okay, then, so friends, again, if you go and see the content, so see what, if you'll see this particular thing here, right, on our YouTube page, if you go and see, so these are the results. 5,000 plus results was given alone in 2024, right? So what is the reason, friends? Because of the quality content. I won't tell you like what is there inside the content, just go and see, right? So see, because of the quality content only we had given the results. And the same thing, see here we have updated TCS NQT asked 2024 coding questions, TCS NQT 2025 top 50 coding questions. So each and everything has been done here already for you all. You just have to get inside the course, right? So enroll to the course. The price is also very much normal only, right? So nominal fees is there, friends, and definitely you will feel a lot of difference when you go and write the examination, right? Okay, anyway, now friends, we will see what is the pattern basically here. So you already are aware about the pattern, but I will still tell you. So friends, this is foundation section and advanced section you will be having in your examination, right? Okay, so if we'll talk about foundation section, friends, then numerical ability 20 question, verbal ability 20 question, and reasoning ability 20 question will be there. So this 7 to 8 days now, you just have to practice as much as questions you can do. Now if you go and try to learn the concepts, it will be big problem for all of you because the time is not there now. So solve previous year problems, solve attempt mock test, that's all you should do. So numerical ability 20 questions will be there, and the time which will be given to you is 25. This foundation section is basically for the ninja role, where you will be getting package of 3.36 role. If you don't touch coding, okay, so then this foundation role will be for a ninja. But again, if you don't qualify foundation, then there is no use of advanced section, right? So 20 question from numerical ability, 25 question from verbal ability, and reasoning ability you will be having 20 question. If we talk about the cutoff, friends, then at least try to see in 2024 what happened, right? So in 2024, friends, what happened? So a student, those who had solved 6 to 10 question, they were able to get selected. So that's the reason the mock test is prepared in such a way that you will be able to score 6 to 10 question, and if you have prepared well, you will be able to score more than that. Verbal ability, you have to score more, 15 to 20 question. And reasoning ability, friends, reasoning ability here definitely again you'll have to score 10 to 12 questions. So this was the cutoff in 2024. It will remain same if the level of the questions will be tough, and 2025 also the level of the questions is not going to be easy. Advanced aptitude and reasoning, friends, here the 7 to 8 questions if you are doing, that is more than sufficient. And advanced coding, one coding question will be simple, the first coding question, right? And if you do one coding questions, you will be called for digital role, right? And if you do both the coding question, friends, then you will be called for your prime role, right? So these are the criteria basically, but you don't have to solve both coding question completely. If one or two cases are not solved, then also they will call you for the prime interview, right? Okay, if you perform well in prime, okay, then you will get prime. If you don't perform well in prime, you might get digital, you might get ninja, or you might not get anything, because I know many candidates who were selected for prime, okay, and then from there they were directly rejected. They did not even got ninja, right? So all those things will be keep happening. Many candidate I know from prime they got digital, many candidate I know from digital they got prime, right? Okay, so friends, see the reason, right? So all those things definitely you should know, so that you will give importance to each and everything, right? Okay, I'm not going to discuss the topics in very much detail, right? Because it's of no use now which topic you should focus more. But one thing, tomorrow I'll make a video where I will tell you the important topics, right? So these are the topics which you should read. Also, I will solve the questions of 2024, so you will be getting more and more idea. Thank you, take care, and all the very, very best. Don't forget to like the video, and don't regret later. Enroll in the TCS crash course right now. Even the mock test is going to help you a lot, and that will be similar kind of question you will be expecting in the TCS examination. Thank you, take care, all the very, very best.